Namaste everyone. In this video we will be discussing about another important text formula that is called as MID. From the name you can guess what we are going to do guys today. Actually from this text we are going to extract some of the characters from the middle part. So that's why it is named as MID formula. Now let me show you here. Suppose in this text let us type the formula for it, MID. And you can see the arguments guys. It is asking me 3 arguments. That is text. That means this one. From here, from this text, I want to get some of the characters. Let us say starting from 4th one. Okay. Now you can check 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4th index we have J. So it will start counting from J. And now comma. We want to get, let us say, 6 characters. Starting from J, it will be printing 6 characters for me, 1, 2, 3 like that. Now execute. You can see guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is providing me 6 desired characters using this formula. Okay, now let us experiment more. Equal to MID. Again, from this text, I want to start from now, in this case, 7. And I want to get any 8 characters starting from 7th position. Now you can see I have got this one. So I hope you understood this formula, and now let us solve a simple problem. You can see this guys, this is a text I have written, and the problem says we want to get number of all the characters which are present between square braces, the opening square brace and the closing square brace. So let us utilize this MID formula to get these middle characters. Now here, first of all guys, let me tell you, we are going to get the indices of both of these bases. Here first of all, I will be finding the index number for the opening square brace, find. So what I want to find? I want to find this one. Okay, now within text, of course, this one, and then start number, which will be always 1. Now close it. You can see it is at 8th position. Now here I want to get the index of closing braces. I want to find this one, and within this text, starting from 1 again. Now you can see guys, we have 8 and 18 respectively, and there are 10 letters in between both of them. You can subtract both of them. You will get 10 letters approximately. Now let us solve it out. Equal to MID. So text, we will select this one because we want to get whatever we want. Now start number. So I think this will be the starting number. First of all, let me show you something. Let us select this one. And we will select this minus this. Why? Because see guys, we want to get 10 characters. He's asking me the number of characters. That means 18 minus 10. It is at 18th position and it is at 8th position. So in between them we have a gap of 10 characters. So I will be writing this one minus this one. And now execute. But now you can see guys, the answer is not correct. As you can see here. Now why it is not correct? Because we are getting this bracket also. And if we want to edit, why we are getting this bracket? Because the counting started from here, from this opening square bracket, and we want to edit this using F2. For that purpose, the counting will be starting 1 more than the index of this one. And then I think we will be getting correct answer. But now again we got an error. What is that? We got now the closing bracket. Now to remove this error also, again we will edit the formula. Now why it is showing the error? First of all, understand, the counting now in this case started from H when we made a correction. and then it proceeded up to here. Okay, now let us say F2, because the number of characters remain 10, and it will be starting the counting from 1, 2, 3 like that, and it will be going up to this closing square bracket. And now to remove this error, I will be subtracting 1 from here. Okay, now here is the answer. Now I hope you understood, guys, how we have solved this problem using the beautiful formula. And if you are liking my content, do appreciate me with a thumbs up, and do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.